Did you know? How Wegovy's journey to FDA approval marked a significant turning point in obesity treatment worldwide.
With a strong testimony from the world's most annoying, the world's richest man, Elon Musk. Approved in June 2021 by FDA for public use, and its demand soaring wildly about 2,000% from last year to this year, Wegovy's entry into the market was not just another weight loss med release. Rather, it has been a historic moment for those seeking a really effective and science-backed weight loss solution.
According to Dr. Jane Smith, a renowned obesity specialist, Wegovy is the future of weight management. Originating from the same family as Ozempic, a drug designed for diabetes management, Wegovy stands out with its precise focus tailored specifically for weight loss. But what sets Wegovy apart from Ozempic, despite sharing the active ingredient semaglutide? And what does the recent study reveal about the extraordinary results and effectiveness of Wegovy as a weight loss and health solution? We'll be unveiling all these captivating details for you a bit later in the video.
And this is not a promotional video at all, boasting about the wonders of this weight loss med. We have put in hours and hours of research and hard work in compiling all these insights and information for you. Stay tuned as we explore the science behind Wegovy's weight loss wonders and what sets it apart from other treatments currently available out there. And not to forget, we'll be revealing some of its side effects, which the manufacturers do not talk about very often.
There is so much for you to benefit from in this video. Just stick around for a bit. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in fitness and weight loss transformation. Before moving to the really crucial aspects in today's video, we first explore the inner workings of Wegovy, revealing how this revolutionary med achieves its remarkable weight loss results, and how it aids in improving your overall health by a large extent. Well, friends, if you are among the millions of us struggling with weight loss, feeling overwhelmed by the endless cycle of diets and disappointments, you don't need to worry any further now, as Wegovy could be your long-awaited solution to all your weight loss and health woes. Tailored for individuals with a BMI of 30 or above, or 27 with weight-related health issues, Wegovy isn't just about shedding pounds, it's about transforming your entire life. It not only aids in weight loss, but also enhances your heart health, regulates diabetes, and improves cholesterol levels as well. Wegovy offers a unique way to manage appetite effectively by mimicking natural hormones that control hunger. This revolutionary approach breaks away from traditional diet and exercise routines, providing you with a scientifically supported path to sustainable health. In a very recent and comprehensive study, participants experienced a remarkable 15% reduction in their body weight, which is a huge achievement, unmatched in the domain of weight management.
As we step deeper into the video, you'll discover how Wegovy is redefining weight loss and paving the way for a healthier, more fulfilling life.
Although Wegovy has emerged as a strong pillar of hope in weight management, but how exactly does it excel in weight loss, heart health, and diabetes control? Let's explore these aspects in light of Nova Nordisk's comprehensive study. Starting off with weight loss effectiveness. In the study, Wegovy users experienced an average weight loss of 15% over 68 weeks. This level of effectiveness is unprecedented in the realm of weight loss medications. Wegovy achieves this by mimicking the GLP-1 hormone, reducing appetite and increasing satiety. This mechanism leads to a natural and sustained reduction in calorie intake, facilitating significant and lasting weight loss. Next up, heart health improvement. The benefits of Wegovy extend to cardiovascular health with a 20% reduction in risk of heart attack and strokes. Nova Nordisk's study highlighted a notable improvement in heart health markers among Wegovy users. By aiding in weight reduction, Wegovy decreases the stress on the cardiovascular system. This reduction in weight and improvement in metabolic health contribute to lower blood pressure, reduced cholesterol levels, and a decreased risk of heart-related complications. And important to many, diabetes control. For individuals with type 2 diabetes, the study revealed that Wegovy offers substantial benefits in managing the condition. It enhances the body's ability to control blood sugar levels more effectively. This is crucial as improved glycemic control can significantly reduce the complications associated with diabetes, Moreover, the weight loss induced by Wegovy can lead to a decrease in insulin resistance, which is a common issue in type 2 diabetes. In summary, the Nova Nordisk study not only reaffirms Wegovy's effectiveness in weight loss, but it also underscores its role in improving heart health and controlling diabetes. This multifaceted impact makes Wegovy much more than a weight loss med. Rather, it's a comprehensive health improvement solution. As we move ahead in the video, before discussing the potential side effects of Wegovy, we'll now reveal how Wegovy compares with other weight loss methods and why it stands out in the crowded field of obesity treatments. Wegovy versus other weight loss methods. Our comparative analysis in this regard will really clear up all the mist around. Why is Wegovy fast emerging as the superior choice in the crowded field of weight loss treatments? This question is crucial for anyone looking for effective and sustainable weight management solutions. Well, Wegovy's unique approach and results set it apart from traditional methods and other pharmaceutical options. First, it's important to know what is the real difference between Wegovy and Ozempic. While Ozempic, with its lower dose, primarily targets blood sugar levels in diabetes patients, Wegovy is optimized for weight reduction. This distinction underscores the precise and intentional design of Wegovy, catering specifically to the needs of those battling obesity. When compared to other weight loss meds like orlistat or phentermine, Wegovy's benefits are more pronounced in this case. Orlistat, for instance, works by reducing fat absorption, but can lead to severe gastrointestinal side effects. Phentermine suppresses appetite, but is generally prescribed for short-term use due to its potential side effects and risk of dependency. Wegovy, on the other hand, offers a more balanced approach. According to the science behind it, it not only reduces appetite, but also addresses your metabolic health, leading to a significant and sustained weight loss with a generally well-tolerated side effect profile. And talking about the comparison with conventional diet plans for weight loss, most of the conventional diet plans majorly focus on calorie restriction and specific food groups. While they can lead to a short-term weight loss, maintaining these diets long-term is really challenging for many of us, often leading to a rebound in weight gain instead. Wegovy, in contrast, works internally, regulating appetite hormones to naturally reduce hunger and increase fullness, leading to a sustainable weight management for you. And beyond weight loss, as we described in the previous section, Wegovy offers additional health benefits, particularly for heart health and diabetes management. So, do you follow any specific diet plan for weight loss? Or have you tried any other prescribed medication in this regard? Do tell about your experience in the comments below.
And now, the most critical aspect of this entire deliberation: unveiling some side effects of Wegovy. Wegovy, while effective for weight loss and health improvement, comes with a few side effects. Awareness of these is key for anyone considering this medication. These include gastrointestinal reactions and some appetite-related changes. Common side effects include nausea, diarrhea, and constipation, but they are found to decrease over time. Altered appetite leading to reduced food intake and potential fatigue is also reported in a few cases. Despite all the benefits we explained earlier, understanding these side effects is crucial before you start Wegovy, as consulting with your healthcare provider is a must. Do you feel like giving Wegovy a try? Tell your opinion in the comments.
And now, it's time for the final remarks from the experts. In this new era of healthcare, Wegovy has emerged as a key player, offering hope and tangible results for millions. It represents more than just a weight loss med. It's a realistic step towards a healthier, more fulfilling life for those struggling with obesity and related health issues. Its remarkable effectiveness in weight loss, coupled with benefits for heart health and diabetes control, positions Wegovy as a significant advancement in medical treatment. However, awareness of its potential side effects is crucial for a well-informed decision for you. Well, friends, we'll be telling you more about this incredible weight loss wonder in our coming videos. Subscribe now to Shape Squad if you want to be informed about all the crucial updates regarding your health and fitness. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and do share it with your fitness-savvy friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. We'll be back very soon with our next super informative video for you. See you.